guys, I got some packets, so there's two. She packed them in pink zebra boxes, and we got this little one. So I ordered slime online, so let's get into it. So I'll see you when I'm ready. So I'm ready to start this box. So it's blue. This was $5. Purple. This one was $2. And there's like these little green thingies in there. I don't even know what it is. And I don't know if there's any note in this. I don't know why she packed them in pink zebra. It's just sticking to the lid. And this kind of feels like putty, but it's very stretchy. Okay. Can't really hear the sound that good. So that was all. There's no note in there. So I'll see when I'm ready for the next packet. So I'm ready for the next packet. It is huge. As you can see, huge stuff in there. I don't even know how to open it. So I found a note in this one. It says enjoy your slime. Kaylee, hope you have fun playing with them. So I guess she means have a good time with the slime. So here's some, she put some good stickers, but this one's kind of ruined, but it's okay. I don't really mind. It's white, it kind of has like little brown stuff. It doesn't feel like slime. I don't know what kind of glue she used for this. It feels like putty because it doesn't make a sound. So this would have to be putty. I did not order putty. I just ordered slime, not putty. This is literally putty. Like, it's so hard to squeeze, and what the heck? Well, I was disappointed in that one. I was not expecting that. The next one, oh, it's in a little cute container. As you can already see, it looks pink from the outside. As you can see, there's like little wheats, I guess. So this is what it looks like. This was only 25 cents. This one, this was $20 for 2 bottles of glue is what she said. She made it. So, she said she just made it yesterday because I ordered some pink slime and she said that she didn't have any, so she had to make some. So I'll show you the sound. So the sound makes it pretty good. I didn't. So satisfying video. So I was not This is good slime. This is very good slime. There isn't a sticker on that one. That's fine. Here's one. And it looks like it's in two. She made it extra safe. So it looks like it's blue. She said that it was made out of clear glue. Oh, that's what she said. So I'm just gonna see what it looks like. I don't know why she would wrap it in pink zebra though. It's really stretchy. So I'll show you. Let's see. If you can see me, say hi. Oh no, guys, what do? Just do that. Okay. That was good enough. That's sticking to me. Okay. I'm sorry. Is there any on my elbow? No, yeah. So as you can see, I have blue all over me. It's like sticky. Hopefully she packs in like extra borax in with. So I'll show you the sound. It's very sticky. That makes a pretty good sound, I wouldn't say. She did a really good job on this one. But it's very sticky, so you might just want to add a little bit more borax if you would have. But it's fine. I think this is the last one. So it came with a sticker too. Ooh, it stinks. I don't know why though. But there's something else in there I had to get. But I had to do something real fast. There's someone at the door, so gotta go check it out. They keep on beatings. So I will be back when I'm done answering the door. I don't know who it is. See you when after I check the door. So who it was just my cousin, my friend in the van. She was just coming to say hi. So the last thing is, it was an extra. So she got me, but she didn't say on the list that she got me an extra. But apparently she forgot to say that, and she got me an extra. So it's in a bag. Borax. So I can make slime with so that's good because I have no borax. I'm gonna only need 1 teaspoon of borax, so this will probably last me until, yeah. So that is all for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the packets. Because she did a very good job of, like, I like the pink zebra and stuff, but I didn't order the pink zebra stuff, but she did it anyways. But I got a new thing that I want to show you guys. It's very cool, and I got it at a yard sale, whoever I got it from. It's very, very cool. So if you're watching this, I got this. It is a thing, so you can open this. I already have a $5 bill in there and my ATM, so that is nice.
Welcome to the ATM machine, a real automated ATM that can sit on your dresser or mount to the wall. Watch your savings grow when you deposit cash through the motorized bill feeder. The bank automatically adds the claim to your deposits. You withdraw money or track your account balance. Enter your name and secret PIN number for real personalized banking.
So that is what it is. It's very cool. It even has these stands on the back. Sorry, that was one of my slimes that she got me. So it has those little stands. So yeah. I don't know how to shut this. That works. It's very cool. You can put like dollar bills and stuff. This is for like your card, and then some coins. And then you can just type in, but it doesn't really let you enter. Doesn't work, but that works.
Welcome to the ATM machine, a real automated ATM that can sit on your dresser or mount to the wall. Watch your savings grow when you deposit cash
This
into a
lights
Rise
up,
Bill
if you
here.
can
The
see
bank
it.
automatically adds the coins you deposit. You withdraw money or track your account balance. Enter your name and secret PIN number for real personalized banking.
So it's very cool. Like especially if you want to play bank or something, or you're like having a party, and it's like same slime again, but I wanted to do the extras last, but she didn't tell me that she was giving me an extra though. So I thought that was very nice of her of giving me an extra. And I liked the note, but she forgot to say that she was giving me an extra. So it was very surprising at the end. So, but I like it. You can like save your money in it. Like if the bills don't go on it all the way in, just go ahead and just open this. But the coins will go all the way in. I'll show you. If I can find one, so I'll show you when I find one. So I can't find one, but if I did, I would have showed you. So that is the end of this video. So make sure you subscribe, leave a comment down below. Which slime do you like the best? Bye.